Hi guys, and here's my Lego puzzle box, and the review is going to be up next, and basically I'm going to show you how this works in the next episode, so take a good look at it. Super cool and huge compared to my safe, my secret safe. It's massive. It's just a couple times bigger, but it's awesome. And stay tuned for the review of this and this. And thank you very much, and leave like and subscribe for more videos like this, and I'm going to make a bunch more of these. Just give me some ideas and what's not, and stay tuned for the next episode. And thank you very much, everybody, for this awesome episode and of Lego puzzle boxes and of course safes. Thank you very much. Bye.